Yeah, like.
Let's move the beers.
What?
Yeah, it's all gonna go, I'm pretty sure. How about that?
What?
You videotaping?
Yeah. Ben can sleep through it.
Yeah, so.
Oscar's way back there.
He's like, I know what's happening here.
Where's Joey?
She's right there. Oh, Joey Whitney. Joey Dog is right there. Joey Whitney is out for Cash's birthday.
Oh.
Out for Cash's 30th. Oh my goodness.
He's gonna go under and go in the support
It's gonna be a bit Otherwise it'd be down.
Can we push it this way? Yeah.
Yeah, everybody get on that other side and push. This will be kind of funny. I kind of want to take a picture of this.